Alright, we want to kill a Highway Zealots 90 base. Medals, 25,000. Let's see what we got in the tune. Jug and a Caretaker. We got 1 Howler. 15 Libs, Caretaker, and Dark Storm. Let's clear this base. This is one way to do it. If you know a better way, by all means use it. I get about 20 minutes repair on the Caretaker, so that's not too bad. Once the lag gets over, we'll start killing. We send in everybody but the Howler, because the Howler is a little bit more difficult to control. We're just going to take our time. We're going to clear out one at a time, just the various pieces. And we just want to get close enough where he doesn't shoot, but he moves. And once he moves, we kill him. There, he should move. There we go. All right, kill him. And then at the same time, this guy moves, so we'll kill him. You kill these guys because later on they will attack you and they will hurt you. Now we got to get set up so that we're just outside the range where he won't do us a lot of damage. Our goal is to have minimal damage. Slowly get, okay, that's good enough right there. So we will just move our Jug and Caretaker over here. These guys are going to do the hard work. They're going to get it done. Now we'll bring in our Howler because we need our Howler to stop the tanks. When the tanks attack, we want to stop them in their tracks and then kill them. All right, so we're going to come in and we're going to slowly clear this side. As soon as we shoot, we retreat and we let these guys all kill the things. Shoot, okay, he shot. Now we're back. Now what will happen is all these guys will shoot. They'll hold them in place. Bingo, they're gone. Now we got to go back and shoot again. As soon as he shoots, we'll retreat because we don't want to deal with those guys right now. All right. That'll clear out that side. Now we just got to stop and wait, have these guys go back. Now we got to clear out all this stuff. So again, we'll just turn and shoot. And then while they're going, we'll bring these guys up because we want to clear the rest of these guys. We want to kill them dead. All right, so just retreat a little bit, but keep them moving a little bit. The reason we keep them moving is we want to get these guys to come in within range, okay? Now they're within, now we can kill them. And we use the Howler just to get the tank to stop shooting so that he won't kill us. Now we just slowly go over here. Just move everything within the shadow of the Dark Storm, and then you'll be able to kill everything. All right, take them out. Okay, leave those guys there, and we take Dark Storm, Caretaker, the 15 Libs. We want to get rid of a few of these troops. Get them into the Dark Storm shadow, and then you don't take any damage. And now let's take him out. All right, take them over here, where they'll take out more. We're going to put them right here. We're going to park them there. These guys are just for protection. Then we're going to start clearing this. All right, they're done. Now we're going to send the Jug and the Caretaker. They're going to do the majority of the work for us. Come on, shoot. Why didn't the... Oh, I know why he didn't shoot, because he killed it first. All right, that's fine. Now, it's really important where you shoot as you go through this. If you shoot the right place, you'll get almost no damage. So you shoot there. It's very important where you shoot. If you shoot this stuff right, you'll get very little damage. And just be patient. If you notice where I shoot, you'll notice that you don't get any. Right over here, you shoot just to the left of this, and it'll clear out this side. You don't want to go any further because you don't want to kill him. But if you do, you do. It's not the end of the world. Okay, now we want to take out him. Now, once he takes out, he won't shoot. Then we'll go up here. Okay, and we'll shoot him. We're getting close to being done with this base. Okay, as soon as he shoots, you pull him back and you wait a little bit. Again, your goal is minimal damage. Clean it out without too much trouble. Get these guys in position because we're going to need them in a minute. We're going to send in the Chug and one caretaker. Shoot here and it'll clean out most, especially him. As soon as he shoots, you retreat. And if we can, we want to kill the Howler, both of them, but if we can't, we can't. Okay, that's it. They're all going back. We'll go over here. We want to shoot over. You don't want to kill him because we're going to use him in a minute to clear the rest out. So we're going to shoot over here. It'll clear out most of the stuff. We'll get a little bit of damage, but not much. So once he shoots, you take off. As soon as everything goes dead, boom, you stop. All right. Now we'll go in with our envoys and we'll empty the base. And with the envoys, they'll get no damage because we'll just shoot the tanks. And this base is almost done, and you get 25,000 medals, and that's absolutely essential. So I'm going to send my envoys in. I have 10. Oh, I do not. I don't have my envoys here. I can't believe it. Okay, we're going to send in Furies. Usually I send in my envoys and they clear the base with no problem whatsoever. But I don't have my envoys here, so that's not an option. Oh, well, it's not the end of the world. But usually I do it with envoys, and they get 0 damage. That's it. And we get 25,000 medals. It's just that easy. And so we end up, you don't get a whole lot. You got about 20 minutes of damage here. Nothing there. You got about 30 seconds, 10 seconds of damage there. That's it. All right, I'll send him home, I'll repair it, and I'll go kill another one. That's how easy it is. Enjoy.